Good morning. What a gorgeous, gorgeous sunrise. Yes, still at Mentary Lake, but we're pulling out today. A little bit of fog on the water. It's about 42 degrees. Yep. We got the ducks playing in the water already this morning. Nice. Oh, a fish just jumped. Sweet. We are on our way to Pilot Knob. Love it. Love it. Yep. Wow. Nice. Very nice. Look at that. Even in the desert, you have an ice cream truck. How cool is that? Out here in Long Term, we have an ice cream truck. How sweet. How sweet. So you like cribs? All right. Hey. We turned a Yankee into a Southerner.
You can add some avocado to the edge of your grits, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I like the syrup idea. Maple syrup,
Well,
maybe.
try some
A lot of people put sugar on theirs.
I don't know if
You can try some of this honey with your grits.
Well, they
see
put
how
like a
that works.
sauce stuff on it
Oh,
too when
that's
they do
true.
the sauce.
Yeah, he asked for the hot sauce. He likes hot sauce.
Are they cold?
No, they're fine. They're fine.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
They're fine. They're fine.
Okay.
Camping. That's
Okay.
All right.
Telling me. So let's see about this.
These
now.
people bring their own utensils in their pockets here.
Don't want to miss any opportunities, you know.
You can tell us which one you like best with the honey or with the...
Bag of spoons.
Try it. Yeah.
Dang, another Yankee into a Southerner. Our friends Sandy and Doug are pulling out today. We had such a good time with them. And their bus is awesome. There they go. Here's our camp at Pilot Knob, Long Term in California. Just about 3 miles from the Mexican border. We went over to Algodones today and yesterday. Very nice indeed. There's Deb and Jim there. There we are, right there. Here's Shirley. And Kim and Daryl are in front of us, and his sister is over on the side there. We have been really having a great time out here. Look at the mountains surrounding us. We love it. The way we're set up, east is in front of us, west is behind us. South, and of course north is behind me. And look at that sunset. How awesome is that? So awesome. And there are sand dunes right over here. That's pretty cool. And of course, that is Pilot Knob RV Resort right off of Interstate 8. This is a very quiet long term. And when you come in here, you turn off of exit 164. You see the chevron right up there. You come in, go past the chevron, and you'll see the BLM sign to your right. But for sure, it's a nice size area. Very nice size. The weather is perfect today. It got up to 70. We have a light wind, and we're going to have a campfire tonight. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Oh, y'all hear Lily barking? And look at that sunset. I love it. You never get tired of an Arizona sunset. And no, I am not standing crooked. That's the way the horizon looks. Yep, I love it. Love it, love it. And if you're planning on staying at a long term, it's $40 for 2 weeks from the day you purchase it. And you can use it, like you can leave here and go to Quartzsite and use their LTVA. Or you can go to Midland up here above Blythe and stay at that LTA. As long as, you can use it within that 2 weeks. But we have ours for 7 months, I think. 6 months, 7 months. $180. And we were in Quartzsite and we stayed in 2 different ones. September, I think it's from September to April. You can use it for $180 and you can move around. This even works at Holtville for the hot springs. Sure enough. Amazing. Yes, nice area. About 8 miles from Yuma and 3 miles from the Mexican border. So this is a perfect stay right here. Right off the interstate, you can barely hear the traffic. So, nice area. Very nice area. Okay, we're getting ready for our campfire. Y'all, this is the craziest thing I've ever seen. I cannot believe my broom is standing up by itself. You can see. There is nothing. It's not leaning on anything. There's no strings holding it. Nothing. Today is February the 11th. That's amazing, isn't it? Wow. That's amazing. It's been standing there for 5 minutes now. That's crazy. I've walked around it. You can see. See? Nothing holding it. It's not glued to the floor or anything. It's going to fall when I go around this side, I bet you. That's crazy. I'm amazed by science. I am truly amazed by science. Wow. Well, we'll see if it falls here in a minute. Tick tock, tick tock. Tick tock. Well, if I stomp on the floor, it'll fall. That is truly amazing. Look at that. Truly amazing. I guess it won't fall unless I move the trailer. Wow, I even stomped. I even slammed the door. Golly. Okay, where are the witches? Woo! Raining in the desert. Yep. A couple days everything will be blooming out and it will be gorgeous. Really gorgeous. Right now, not so much, but hey. And there's Miss Shirley following the yellow brick road. Yeah, oof. The desert will be gorgeous. That plant right there will have red blooms on it and it will be gorgeous. And all of these that you see in front will have yellow blooms. The cactus will be blooming out. Oh my gosh, it'll be awesome. Sweet.